Hello everyone, this is Matt with MH Motors. We are here again with another unboxing video. I am especially excited about this though because this is my first Hot Wheels. It is the Ferrari Enzo Ferrari. It is the base edition Hot Wheels. It is not the elite model, but I will rest assured it will be a great version, and I cannot wait to get this open. So these are becoming more and more rare as we speak, harder to find online. I was able to pick this one up for about 60 US dollars, but they range anywhere from being about 50, 60 on the lower end, upwards into the hundreds. And then of course the mid to high 100s, or even higher for the Hot Wheels Elite versions. So my understanding is this base Hot Wheels edition is a pretty good model for comparison. You know, and we'll basically see it from there. So again, let's look at this outside of the box. We have Hot Wheels, Enzo Ferrari, and the Ferrari logo in the upper right. As you can see, I was able to get an unopened version. One surprising fact is, you'll see in a minute, this edition is almost 20 years old, so this is history right here. The back of the box is pretty cool. They don't make them as much like this anymore from what I'm seeing. And again, another unopened side. And on the bottom, not too much to it. And as you can see, from 2002, with the official licensed product, again from Ferrari. So here we go, and let's get this opened up. All right, so just finished unwrapping it. We'll do a quick look over here. I will plan on doing a more high-level, in-depth review of this Enzo in the near future, so please stay tuned for that. But for just tonight, we will do a quick little look over, and we'll see how it looks just from a high level. So far, very pleased for being the base Hot Wheels edition. If you can see in there, the brake discs do spin through the calipers. Very lovely rear. So iconic right there. All right, let's look at the opening parts. So far, I'm liking what I'm seeing. And then, of course, the best for last, the iconic Enzo doors. And as you can see, steering wheel does steer with the wheels when they do turn. And again, we'll do one more open of the engine, take a look at it. All right. So again, everybody, thanks for hanging with me tonight during this unboxing. Hope you enjoyed this Ferrari Enzo Ferrari just as much as I did. If you do like what you've seen in this video and the other videos I do have on my channel, make sure you hit that subscribe button, smash that like on this video, and make sure you hit that little bell icon to make sure to get notifications when I do upload my future videos. So again, everybody, thanks for watching this unboxing and have a good evening.